Human beings have a temperature of about 37 degrees centigrade. Human body maintains this constant body temperature even if the weather is hot or too cold. There are various mechanisms that control temperature in human body. First is sweating. This mechanism cools down your body temperature. When your body is hot, sweat glands are stimulated to release sweat. This liquid sweat is then turned into gas. To do this, it needs heat. So, it gets heat from the skin. As the skin loses heat, it cools down. Another mechanism that cools down your body is vasodilation. Blood carries most of the heat energy around your body. When the body is hot, then the capillaries beneath your skin dilate and they are filled with blood. So, blood is brought closer to the surface of the skin, so more heat is lost. That's why you look red when you are hot. Vasoconstriction is a mechanism that warms up your body. It is opposite to vasodilation. In this mechanism, capillaries beneath your skin, they shrink, which takes the blood away from the surface of the skin, so less heat is lost. Another mechanism that warms up your body is piloerection. This is when hair on your skin stand up. The hair trap a layer of air next to the skin, which is then warmed up by body heat. Air acts as an insulating layer. Now, this figure is showing the difference between vasoconstriction and vasodilation. As you can see, in vasoconstriction, capillaries beneath your skin shrink, whereas these capillaries dilate in vasodilation. As a result, heat loss occurs across epidermis.